They're 2 and 4 and 6 or 8, shunting trucks and 4 and paint, red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. Do all the different roles to play round tin sheds so far away, down the hills and roundabouts. Thomas and his friends. Hot water. Everyone's hiding over there by the background site. Everyone sees what happened to electricity. It's gone off, but the water isn't hot. The water is furbish. So you need to get some tap. But you only pick the ice off the floor. So eventually cracked it. Eventually cracked it. But there is another ice. He picks the other ice and one from here. But breaking another one is easy hard. This is what the cold water looks like. Eventually the ice is gonna break in the next door's house. But no one needs water. Thomas the Tank Engine is still finishing his breakfast. On-time flood snow will be cleared by tomorrow in very good Island of Soto radio. And always go over South Scotland from Edinburgh. We're very far way out. Finally, the lovely find from the northwest. Everyone shouted, screaming and loudly, but no one is found. Well, Henry, the water is cold because of stupid electricity. Well, they're having a lovely argument to fix the hot water. Okay, come on, let's go. Who did you go? Henry and what is it again? And Percy, come on! We're coming, Thomas. Right, I need to make a discussion for you. If you want to make a discussion for you, maybe it's going on high 4. I have decided to think. I had it! I changed it to a postage stamp. Thomas sees his stunning ass. And where you won't all think. Thomas couldn't find it anywhere. Well, unfortunately, to the lovely hell, never mind. I definitely was. Actually known as the lovely thing in heaven. Thomas pulled the right. Hey, takes all the lovely entire stereo, walks over to it, and nothing over. He decided to walk over it. Fortunately, he walks over until what happened? Until it was the end of the road. Oh, come on, I can't reach. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. A kick was heard. Finally, the lovely kick was demoting it all away. Thomas throwed it away from across there. But then, it didn't work very well. As it no, Thomas the Tank Engine fixes the technology to fix it. Well, it fixed over the ground. But he has to fix it to protect water from the hot water to discover. But he couldn't fix it. Oh, I don't believe it. Oh dear. But one last kick was heard. But the lovely kick. Yeah! But puts the water in. It goes up, 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 up. Thomas got stuck. But he got out. Why do you want to take passengers for the water? To fix it. Okay, fix it. Completed. Thomas the Tank Engine decide how much love to be without James. Better take the rest in. Come on, you lot. It's the end of a show. Let's go in. Right, I'll go get James. James, come on. Okay, I'm fine away. They fixed the hot water and to let James just passed into the lovely stable. But that's the end of our program. Join us again for our next adventure on Thomas and Friends. See me, Thomas the Tank Engine, but we'll see you there.